Hello, welcome. Let us look at a solution to this question. The question is read as the first, third, and the sixth terms of an arithmetical progression forms a geometrical progression. Find the common ratio of the geometric progression. Okay, let's get started. Solution. We know that the nth term of AP, that's arithmetic progression, is given by the formula a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So we have where d is a common difference, and a is equal to the first term. Okay, right. So if you want a first term of AP, then first term of AP, it will give us a plus n, that's 1 minus 1, because that's the first term, multiplied by d, and that will give us a. That is 1 minus 1 will give us 0 times d to give us 0. Then we also have the third term. So the third term is third term of the AP. It will give us a plus 3 minus 1 d equals to what? A plus 3 minus 1 is 2d. Okay, so let's move on. So if you have the sixth term of the AP will give us a plus 6 minus 1 d, and that will be equals to a plus 5d. So given that these terms forms geometric progression, what it simply means that we will have, for the GP, we have the first term equals to what? A. Second term equals to a plus 2d. Then we have the third term equals to what? A plus 5d. We are told that they form what? They form geometric progression. And in geometric progression, we have a common ratio. So what it means is that when we want to get our common ratio, we can say common ratio here can be determined by taking the second term divided by first term, which can be equated to dividing the third term by the second term. So this condition must be met if it is a common ratio. So getting our common ratio, we know that our second term is giving us this. Our first term is giving us this. So we can have a plus 2d over a equals to 5, that's the third term, a plus 5d divided by the second term, which is a plus 2d. So let's cross multiply. We have a multiplied by a plus 5d equals to a plus 2d squared, because they are the same, 2d multiplied by 2d. So open the brackets. We will have a squared plus 5ad equals to, the square of this will give us a squared. We'll take the square to the a, then multiply a times 2 times z and multiply by the 2. So that will give us 4ad. That's how we expand that. Then square this one, we have 4, and the square of d, we have d squared. Okay, so a square will cancel a square. So we are left with 5ad equals to 4ad plus 4d squared. So let's send the terms with the ad one side. So that will give us 5ad minus 4ad equals to 4d squared. So this will give us ad equals to 4d squared. So let's divide both sides by d and divide here too by d. So this will cancel this. Then we have a equals to 4d. So we have found a to equal to 4d. So now let's get back. To get our common ratio, let's get back. To get our common ratio, we're told that second term divided by the first term, or the third term divided by second term, it will give us a common ratio. So now therefore, the common ratio can be determined as this, by the ratio a plus 2d over a. But a equals to 4d, but a equals to 4d. So what it means is that we can put in the a in place of what? 4d in place of a. So we have 4d plus 2d all over a, which is also 4d. So this will give us 6d divided by 4d. So d will cancel d. We are left with 6 over 4. So that can be reduced to 3 over 2. Therefore, the common ratio of the GP, the common ratio of the what? Of the GP, that's a geometric progression, is 3 over 2. And that is the common ratio. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.